So today I actually wanted to talk about our plumbing manifolds. We're always showing you at Ventura all of the pretty things that are, what you see when the house is finished. But today I wanted to talk more about some of the stuff that you don't see, which is actually hidden behind the walls. So we actually do all of our water lines overhead, and we do everything in a plumbing manifold. And so this is a plumbing manifold right here that we use, and you can actually see all the water lines. So the cold water lines are the blue, and the red water lines are the hot. This is actually individual fixtures that you can turn off with this key. And another thing with running everything overhead, we pretty much eliminate the possibility of slab leaks. We always get the question, so what about freezing? Well, we encapsulate all of our houses in foam, and so that means that all the exterior walls and the roof deck of the attic space are all insulated. And that helps prevent any kind of freezing as far as from the water line situation. But the great thing about this is you have these individual valves that you can turn off individual fixtures, and makes it a whole lot easier as far as turning off things as necessary.